Hi friends, Glenn here from Bonfire Creations, and today I'm going to be building a raised vegetable garden for our backyard. We want to grow some of our own fresh vegetables this summer, and this is the best way for us to do it. We don't want any critters getting in there, and we don't want to be on the ground weeding and planting, where a nice raised garden would be the best bet for us. Stay tuned if you want to see how I build this. And if you're new to this channel, thank you very much for watching, and please hit that subscribe button, and if you like what you see, smash that like button.
What do you think?
So here I'm going to trim the boards up to their final length, and I thought it'd be a sweet time for a miter montage. Now it's time to assemble the boxes. It'll be simple butt joints at all four corners, held together with 3-inch screws. I'm building two boxes 6 feet by 3 feet, and they will be stacked on top of each other. Off camera, I installed 3 2x2s across the bottom to support the bottom. Now I'm installing some 2x2s on the insides so that the two can stack and I can screw them together. And now it's time to stack these two boxes on top of one another. As you can tell, it was a bit of a struggle, but with some gentle persuasion, we were able to get them fitted together. You can tell that the top box is a little warped, but that's because the lumber I was using had some, let's just say, it wasn't straight. But once everything was screwed together, the boxes held together quite nice, and I'm very happy with the results. Now it's time to hold it square with some clamps and tee up the drill and screw montage. The legs are quite simple. What I've got is two 4x4 posts that I'm cutting at 3 feet and then doing a half lap at one end of each post and then fasten that to the side of the bench. And for the half laps, it's just going to be another series of relief cuts on the miter saw that I can break away later with my hammer and chisel flat with a plane and a chisel. Cue up the miter montage.
Yes, 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 yes.
Now I'd be lying if I didn't say that this landscaping tarp was easy to install. I like clean lines, I like nice folds, but with all the 2x2s and what have you, it was not fun to install. You're watching me install it finally, but I think I unstapled it about 3 times before I was happy with the result. So, being such a beautiful day, I decided to bring it outside and put on the wire mesh bottom. This is going to give support to the soil inside, as well as let the water flow through the soil when the plants are watered. Mounting the legs are pretty straightforward. I'm measuring 12 inches from the outside edge. Then I'm taking the leg and that notch that I put in it, I'm going to rest it on the bottom of the bed. That's going to give support for the garden so that it's not relying strictly on the screws. The screws are basically just holding it to the side of the garden while all the weight is being supported by that ledge. And each leg is held in with 6 3-inch wood screws. And there you have it, friends, the raised vegetable garden. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, please hit that like button, and if you want to see more, hit that subscribe. Today, out of these 2x10s or 2x6s, I'm going to be making some raised flower or vegetable. Hi friends, Glenn here. Oh my god, I did.